Okay, so there's some important information that I need to give you before you start this lesson. This is for lesson 2 of the water cycle. So here I have a picture of a heat lamp. So this is a heat lamp. It kind of looks like a desk lamp, but this has a special light bulb in it that makes it really hot. This is a heat lamp, and this is a plate, and then this is water. Okay, so forgive my poor drawing skills, but this is water, and the dots represent the molecules in the water, and then these dots represent the molecules as it evaporates like this, okay? So there's 3 main ideas that I want you to think about as you do this lesson, because the lesson has to do with this experiment, putting heat lamps over water for a certain amount of time to see what happens after that amount of time. The first one is that the light represents the sun's energy. Okay, the sun's energy is really important to the water cycle. And so in this experiment, this heat lamp represents the sun's energy. If we did not have the sun's energy to power the water cycle, we would not have the water cycle. The second idea here is that the water on the plate has potential energy. Because it is at rest. It's just sitting there. It's not doing anything, just sitting there. And then it turns to kinetic energy as it evaporates. So it turns to kinetic, which is the energy of motion. As it moves up, it starts to move, and so it turns into kinetic energy. The third main idea is that density changes during evaporation. Density changes during evaporation. When it is a liquid form, so before evaporation, it is more dense. And then after evaporation and it becomes a gas up here, then it is less dense because those particles are farther away from each other. So these are the 3 main ideas that I want you to think about as you do this lesson, because this is going to help you answer a lot of the questions in there. Just don't forget to change the sharing options of your file so that I can see it when I grade it.